How do you hack something into your smart home that you don't own and you need to return it the way you found it? I want to automate my apartment's ventilation system reacting to humidity and CO2. These CTRL ONE smart thermostats already collect that data and I want to use it. My rental apartment comes with this huge ventilation unit that cycles air through the house. It comes with this battery-powered remote control in the bathroom, so we're going to disassemble it and put an ESP32 in it. That disassembled a lot more easily than I expected. The remote is super simple. It's got a button cell battery and it reacts when you press the buttons on the front. We're going to disconnect the buttons and tap into the lines running to them, so we can simulate a button press through the ESP32. When we're done, this will be powered over USB, so first I add a positive and negative wire around the battery holder. The remote also has some timer functions and a really useless auto mode, so I only soldered wires to the buttons I need. This is the most non-invasive way I could think of. I don't want to mess with the ventilation unit itself, and the remote speaks a proprietary protocol that would be a pain to reverse engineer. Plus I'd then have to buy a radio module, and there's already one built into the remote. Quick bit of programming later with ESP Home, and voila! It remembers what mode the ventilation system's currently in and relays that to Home Assistant. Using a CTRL ONE mounted to the wall, I can now control the ventilation from anywhere in the house. It doesn't have to be on the wall, it can also sit on a desk. And using the built-in temperature, humidity and CO2 sensors, I can build automations that control the ventilation automatically. Last thing to do is give the remote a new home by the ventilation unit, and we never have to think about it again. When I eventually move out, I can desolder the wires and return it back to its original home. And with that, I now have whole home ventilation control. The CTRL ONE is on sale now at my website. I'd love to see what DIY projects you make with it. Check it out at elvenhome.io.